Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today is second part of response relationship or dose response. I'm Dr. Nilofer User. Let's have a recap of yesterday's lecture in which we discuss about if we take drug as an agonist, how it produces its effect in our body, in our biological system. Then we discussed about two types of drug response curves. One was graded dose response curve, depending upon the concentration, and the other one is quantile dose response curve. Then in detail we discussed when agonist is given, how it gives us response, when inverse agonist is given, how it converts the receptors into inactive state and give the opposite response of the desired therapeutic effect, and how partial agonist is working or giving in response in vitro or in our body. We also discussed about potency and efficacy. We In the end we discussed about the role of antagonist and its response whenever it is administered in the body, how it shuts down or stops the biological system, giving hence resulting in no response. So starting from quantile dose response curve. Quantile dose response curve is a curve or graph plotted between the percentage or fraction of a population that shows a specified all or none responses and doses of a drug. In simple Urdu words, I will say that या तो इफेक्ट आएगा या नहीं आएगा. ग्रेडेड डोज में क्या था, सिंगल सब्जेक्ट था, हम डोज बढ़ाते थे, इफेक्ट देखते थे. उसमें हमने अपनी एक थेरेप्यूटिक विंडो देखी, हमने थ्रेशोल्ड डोज देखी, इसके बाद इफेक्ट आया, पोटेंसी देखी, उसके बाद हमने मैक्सिमम इफेक्ट लिया. इसमें क्या है, हमने इफेक्ट है या नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर टेस्टिंग एंटी हाइपरटेंसिव इफेक्ट of a drug and we'll see that effect is coming. वो बीपी लो कर रहा है या ब्लड प्रेशर लो नहीं कर रहा. तो उसमें सब्जेक्ट जो था सिंगल सब्जेक्ट था, एक सेल था, एक रिसेप्टर था, जिसको हमने कहा था अ ड्रग इज कन्फाइनिंग टू अ सिंगल रिसेप्टर, one molecule of drug. In this, we are taking a whole population and we are seeing the desired therapeutic effect in that specific population. Note down the difference. In the end of the lecture, your assignment will be write down the difference between quantile dose response curve and graded dose response curve. And second question is what information you get from quantile dose response curve. And I'm not going to repeat these questions at the end of the lecture. So be vigilant. Okay. Quantile dose response curve is a cumulative graph of the frequency distribution of responders versus the log dose. On x-axis is recording the percentage of responders, whereas on x-axis doses are plotted. ठीक है, y-axis पे क्या आ रहा है, responders आ रहे हैं, x-axis पे हम डोज प्लॉट कर रहे हैं. वही बात उसमें रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा था y-axis पे, इस पे y-axis पे responders का cumulative इकट्ठा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है. ग्रेडेड डोज रिस्पॉन्स कर्व में क्या था, रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, डोज बढ़ाई ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्स आया, डोज बढ़ाई ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्स आया, एक पॉइंट आया मैक्सिमम रिसेप्टर्स बाउंड हो गए, डोज बढ़ाई उससे ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया. इसमें क्या है, रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, या तो पेशेंट डाई कर एनिमल मॉडल डाई कर जाएगा या नहीं करेगा, कन्वर्जेंस आएंगी नहीं आएंगी. ठीक है. So here we are looking for the cumulative frequency. Most of the people show this effect and we document it as quantile total effect. Some important terms we get to know from quantile dose response curve are such as median effective dose. It is a dose at which 50% of population under study exhibit the specified quantile effect. Median toxic dose, It is the dose that is required to produce the specific toxic effect in 50% of population under study. इफेक्टिव डोज कौन सी थी कि इफेक्ट आ रहा है और 50% ने टोटल 100 में से बता दिया कि जी ये इफेक्ट आ सकता है. मीडियन टॉक्सिक डोज ने क्या किया कि बताया कि ये 50% ऑफ टोटल पॉपुलेशन में एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. ठीक है, ये डॉक्यूमेंट होना चाहिए. And median lethal dose, it is the dose of the drug required to kill 50% of animals under study. So take these definitions very seriously. What is median effective dose? What median toxic dose? What is median lethal dose? And all this information is being depicted by quantile dose response curve. Why we plot this curve? What is the need of this curve? Let's see. It indicates the potential variability of responsiveness among the population. अगर एक इफेक्ट आ रहा है लेस देन 50% में तो वी विल नॉट कंसिडर इट एज द इफेक्ट. आ भी सकता है, नहीं भी आ सकता, मगर अगर 50% उससे अबव इफेक्ट आ रहा है तो इट इज द रिक्वायर्ड. फॉर एग्जांपल, एंटी हाइपरटेंशन की ड्रग है, उसने बीपी कंट्रोल करना है. लेस देन 50% में बीपी कंट्रोल हो गया, we'll not consider it, we'll consider it non-response. But if in 50% or more than 50% blood pressure is controlled, we can say that it is the median effective dose, or it is the therapeutic effect we were looking for. So it is all quantile effect. So to generate information regarding the margin of safety of drugs, calculation of therapeutic index, from this thing we get to know the median toxic dose and median lethal dose. इफेक्टिव डोज, इफेक्टिव के बाद एक रेंज होगी जिसमें इफेक्ट आ रहे आ रहे आ रहे, हमने डोज बढ़ाई, इफेक्ट आया, डोज बढ़ाई, इफेक्ट आया. मगर एट अ स्पेसिफिक लेवल व्हाट विल हैपन, दैट थेरेप्यूटिक इफेक्ट विल टर्न इनटू or will be converted into toxic effect, and it is not desired one. Comparing the potencies of drugs in experimental and clinical settings. It by comparing ED50s of two drugs for producing a quantile effect. If ED50s are 5 mg for drug A and 5 mg for drug B, then we can see that 5 mg for drug A is more potent, and we will consider that drug is more potent and for clinical practice. It can also provide a valuable index of the selectivity of drugs action by comparing its ED50 for two different quantile responses in a population. Same thing is repeated in difficult words that it makes selection for a clinical practitioner easy. So we get to know therapeutic index from quantile dose response curve. And what exactly is therapeutic index? It is the ratio of median toxic dose to median effective dose. Okay, what is this ratio of median? We, in easy words, we say it is safety of drug. इससे नीचे इफेक्ट नहीं देगी, उससे ऊपर टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट देगी. तो ये वो विंडो है, वो गैप है हमारे पास जिसपे हम ये ड्रग यूज कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज दिस? इट इज द रेशियो ऑफ मीडियन टॉक्सिक डोज टू मीडियन इफेक्टिव डोज. Therapeutic index indicates that safety with which the dose can be increased without fear of toxicity. इसमें मैक्सिमम डोज भी आ जाएगी, हमारी एफिकेसी भी आ जाएगी. अगर उससे हाई करेंगे तो वो अपने अनडिजायरेबल एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स देने लगेगी. Higher the therapeutic index, safer the drug. We have a long margin, a wide margin to play with the drug to get our therapeutic index. But lower the therapeutic index, it is unsafe. It required monitoring of plasma concentration. थोड़ी drug इधर से उधर हुई और undesired effect आ गए. For example, digoxin, lithium, they have narrow therapeutic windows. Drugs with high therapeutic index are safer. They have therapeutic wide therapeutic. So I have already told you about today's assignment. I want you people to complete it. I'm not going to repeat over here as I want you to be vigilant and let your concepts clear about assignment that it can be anywhere in the lecture. So thanks a lot. If there are any queries, you are always free to ask me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.